Namaskaram to all media friends present in this press conference. It is very unfortunate on the part of the great state Andhra Pradesh that every day, every moment, some or other part of this state, our Hindu gods and goddesses are being insulted. It started as soon as this government came to power, and the Antarvedi chariot, the age-old chariot, decade-old chariot was burned by some anti-Hindu forces in the state. Same thing happened in Nellore few days back. Also in Pithapuram, mandirs were destructed. In our Guntur also, the insult of Anjaneya Swami temple happened. Then what I can say about the Rama Tirtham, 400-year-old Kodanda Rama Murti, the ancient god, he was ruthlessly beheaded by anti-Hindu forces in Andhra Pradesh. Who is doing this? Chief Minister must answer all these questions. Why he is appeasing minorities only for vote bank politics? Narendra Modi ji says, "Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas." Take all people of this country together, earn their faith, earn their confidence, and work for all. And he is working for all. No appeasement, justice to all, appeasement of none, is the slogan of Bharatiya Janata Party since its inception. But unfortunately, when I came to Guntur today for organizational meeting, I was shocked to know that there is a great Shiva temple, Kanakakani, Kakani temple. In this Shiva temple, non-veg is cooked by a Muslim person. Why Hindus should tolerate? When non-veg is restricted inside the premises of all Hindu shrines, Hindu temples, its inception. But unfortunately, when I came to Guntur today for organizational meeting, I was shocked to know that there is a great Shiva temple, Kanakakani, Kakani temple. In this Shiva temple, non-veg is cooked by a Muslim person. Why Hindus should tolerate? When non-veg is restricted inside the premises of all Hindu shrines, Hindu temples, it is not accepted anywhere in this country, in this world. But specifically in this Shiva temple, a madam who is MPTC member, her husband Sharif, his name is Sharif, but behaved like a badmash and cooked non-veg inside Shiva temple not only one time, number of times, frequently is doing that. What police is doing? What administration is doing? Bharatiya Janata Party Andhra Pradesh will not tolerate. Immediately it should be stopped and the person should be booked. He should be arrested for insulting sentiments of Hindus, spreading hatred inside the society. This is the same place, Guntur, for only appeasement of people, appeasement of minorities. Still the name on the tower, Jinnah's name is not removed. Initially, people did not allow one activist to hoist Indian tricolor on 26 January. How we can forget? When they understood that it is going against them, YSRCP local leaders went there and they hoisted flag. Then they colored that, removed green color from Jinnah Tower and colored with tricolor. Everything is okay, but what about Muhammad Ali Jinnah's name? In Swadhin Bharat, when India is celebrating Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, the person because of whom the India was partitioned, lakhs of Hindus were compelled to leave their houses without taking single penny from their house. Their women were raped. Many were forcefully converted. Thousands were killed because of Muhammad Ali Jinnah. How people of India, even how Muslims of India can tolerate name of Muhammad Ali Jinnah, and by removing name of Muhammad Ali Jinnah, if some Muslims are becoming angry. But unfortunately, Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu, your government is appeasement government, appeasing only for vote bank politics, only for votes. And this Kakani temple issue is horrible, and we are going to raise this issue everywhere. Unless and until Sharif is arrested, we will not stop. DC should be suspended. The Hindus of Guntur will not tolerate. Simultaneously, the incident happened in Tirumala was very unfortunate. Whenever I go to Tirumala, I am always impressed and I always appreciate. It is the Adhyatmic capital of our world. Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam is Adhyatmic capital of our world. And the great temple of Yedu Kondalavada, Venkataramana, Govinda, and that temple, so neat, so clean, excellent management, people appreciate. And if such incidents happens, stampede-like situation for releasing token, releasing darshan, if the poor people are denied darshan, then it is unfortunate. Government has nothing to do in such type of matters. Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam is independent of politics. It should be independent of politics. It should be only for Venkateshwara Swami. I have high regards about that Devasthanam, which is doing social work for people. But they are running hostels, they are running hospitals. Recently they have started hospital for operating children, heart operations. Everything is good. But such type of situation is horrible, and Bharatiya Janata Party protests, and we warn Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam that such type of incident should not be repeated. They should take care of it. Otherwise, we will have to bring it on political end. Simultaneously, it is horrible situation of Andhra Pradesh because of power cut. Narendra Modi ji's government is committed. One nation, one grid. The whole nation is committed with one grid, power grid. When Modi ji was chief minister, when he became chief minister, at that time such type of regular power cut was going on. In 12 years, 24/7 electricity to Gujarat people, and now to all countrymen to give electricity, but electricity is state government issue. And Jagan Mohan Reddy is failure chief minister who is not able to provide electricity to common man at lower cost. And Telugu Desam party doesn't have any right to shout about electricity, because in Samaik Andhra Pradesh people have seen how Chandrababu Naidu ordered and killed some farmers during the farmers' agitation. So even they don't have any right about talking about electricity and current. Bharatiya Janata Party protest the price hike of electricity. We have already conducted one agitation, and we are not going to leave the topic. We will conduct agitation again and again. And this power cut, industry, where industry people will go? There is a problem in Andhra Pradesh, serious problem in Andhra Pradesh. Financial crisis is there. Not only electricity breakdown, it is financial breakdown, total financial breakdown in Andhra Pradesh. No earning, spending. There is a saying in Hindi, Amdani Athani Kharcha Rupaiya. But here there is no 4 रुपया खर्चा करोड़ों में. How the state will survive? Chandrababu Naidu already handed over the state to Jagannath Reddy Garu having debts of lakhs of crore rupees. पहले ने भी डुबाया, दूसरा अभी पूरा डुबा देगा, ऐसा सिचुएशन है. Who can save Andhra Pradesh? Only Bharatiya Janata Party, Narendra Modi ji's vision, along with Pawan Kalyan Garu's Jana Sena. We can form our own government in Andhra Pradesh for making this Andhra Pradesh Bangar Andhra Rashtra in near future. Simultaneously, when this government came to power, they increased housing tax in urban areas. Now it is not bearable for people. The tax, the sand, 4 times the rate of sand is high because of sand mafias ruling this state. Every MLA is involved in collecting money from sand, for sand, every truck. Liquor mafias, sand mafias, land mafias, big lands. It is like Sharad Pawar's Nationalist Congress Party in Maharashtra. I come from Maharashtra. I know the type of NCP party of Sharad Pawar, same type of YCP party is there. Definitely, again I have come to know that he is going to increase the housing tax. Where poor people will go, even middleman, common man, middle class people, where they will go if such type of money is... it is one type of extortion, and that is why through this press conference I appeal Chief Minister Jagannath Reddy Garu to become alert, awake. Now only 1.5 years almost is remaining, and people are having strong frustration and discontent about this government. They are waiting for elections to come. Don't go on any results of by-election, because people are being threatened by village volunteers that if you don't vote for YCP, then you see the result, all schemes will be stopped. So people think that why to vote other parties, why to vote BJP, they want BJP Jana Sena, but if they vote for them, then their schemes will be stopped. So people are waiting for elections to come. And youngsters no job. At the time of Babu also there was not job. Babu said that Babu आएगा, Jobu आएगा. अरे Jobu तो आया नहीं, जो पहला था वो भी जॉब चला गया. हाँ, वो उसने कि सिर्फ अपने बाबू को जॉब दे दिया, लेकिन आंध्र की जनता ने उसके बाबू को भी जॉबलेस कर दिया. So Andhra Janata is very clever, and that is why my appeal to all Andhra Pradesh people to support Bharatiya Janata Party Jana Sena alliance to stop all these disasters from this state. Thank you very much.